Alright, I'm getting the pallets over here. Got it to the area where we'll be building the jumps. So I just gotta scout out the perfect spot to put it. Again, the last one. So we got going here. All right, we found the area of the building of our jump. We're gonna place it right here. As you can see, right there. Gonna run up around this corner and come here. We're gonna launch it down over here into the slope down landing. So it's gonna be like, boom, right over there. Pallet coming in. Here's the boy Jack. I don't know what he's doing. What do you gotta say about this jump we're about to build?
I'm gonna just get the.
What do you gotta say about the jump?
We're gonna be sending this on a CR and a KX and a JR in less than a week. You understand me?
Okay. And what do you have to say about this jump? Okay, nothing. Okay, this is the form we got going. And we're gonna fill it up with sand, rocks, and some stakes and logs and whatnot. Yeah, kind of go like this. There we go. Okay. That's what it's going so far. Booter. Alright, this is the finished product, baby. Pretty much. You shape these to little jumps on the side, but this is what it's looking like. See? I don't know what he's saying, but yeah. Pretty good. Shaped jump. Where you'll be coming in from, as you can see, it's pretty big. Sends you over that little ridge. That's what it's looking like, baby. Here's the landing, and then you can see the jump over here. Coming up. Here's the jump. Yeah. Take off from there. Land over there.